on my bed.
Just relaxing to shut.
Miss, in here so I know fi picnic. You hear what, Mr. Boy? In here so I know fi picnic.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we're a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So tonight I'm here with the kids and I'm like, okay, we're gonna just do a little video teaching them Patois, but I'm gonna put a little twist on it by doing more of like a, instead of just translating, more of like a Jamaican parenting and in Patois. Okay? Josiah,
Yeah?
who you talk to? Josiah?
Yes, mommy.
Hey boy, don't play with me, you know.
Please don't have those cookies.
No.
Please, can we have some?
All right, take it. Josiah, kiss me ground in it back. So, you know, let none in there. Father God, take the case and give me the pillow with this little boy. Okay? Little boy, is where you come from. Josiah, you need to go take a bath now, okay?
No, I don't want to.
Little boy, make you so nasty.
No, please, I don't want to.
All right, just wash off yourself.
Mom, that's so please.
No, you beg too much.
Mom, that's so please.
You beg too much. No,
Please.
no. Move right in front of me, man. Okay, Joe. So now we're gonna do some translation. Okay. So if I say wagwan,
Wagwan me boss, man.
no, what does wagwan means?
What's up?
Yes, good, good. If I say go sit down,
Go sit down.
if I say stick rock in your ears, what that mean?
Put the stick. I'll break
No,
the stick.
I mean that you're not listening. Okay. If I say where I go,
Where you're going?
yes, good job, Joe. If I say senior,
Look at me.
not bad, yes. If I say me mother,
My mother.
good job. If I say pitney,
I mean children.
yes, children. If I say afimi,
A
if I say-
female?
no, I say afimi.
Oh, a family.
No, it means it's mine. Where you call me for?
Why you call me?
What that?
What's that? What's up?
Come back here, sir.
Come back here.
Josiah, actually, but I thought I didn't speak a lot of Patois in this house, but Josiah pretty much. Joe, you're gonna be just great, just fine when we go to Jamaica. You know Patois.
I know Patois already, man.
Yeah.
You speak Patois. I hear Patois.
Yeah. So what? Okay. What do you want to say in Patois right now, all by yourself?
Wagwan me boss. I love to stand.
What? Wagwan?
Wagwan me boss. Mommy, this was so much fun.
Yeah.
Yup. Like and subscribe to the Bailey's family. Watch her cooking. It's fun. It's Jamaican cooking. So you need to do it, test it out. It's so good.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good job, Joe.